Hey, I'm George with Argo Electrical Services. Today I just wanted to show you this beater base that we just installed on this garage. So we're waiting for the inspector right now. He is taking his sweet time. And I can't seem to get this little dude unwedged. There we go. Pop this off. There you go. So let's pull there we go. We'll take the two screws out here. So you got your main breaker right there. This is a 200 amp. We went ahead and talked the customer into getting a 200 amp so that when it comes time and they buy electric vehicles, there will not be much of a tax whatsoever on the system. They could actually install a couple of car chargers very easily. So there's your two hots, there's your neutral wire grounded. Here's our number 4 bare copper going straight to earth. We've got a ground rod here, 7 foot over here. We've got another ground rod. We've got the other ground wire, which goes inside to the house panel. So this guy's got aluminum beams all the way through it. So we attached it to the wall with 6-inch bolts, washers and nuts, and this 3/4 inch Kindorf or Unistrut. So we got, spring nuts here attached, spring nuts here attached there. We got the bolts to the steel. We got our ground wire strapped down right there. We got 2-inch PVC into an LB, a piece of 1.5 inch Unistrut there with strap. It goes into the house panel through this 2-inch LB. My name is George with Argo Electrical Services. I am the surge protector guy. And if you're in Gainesville, Cumming, or Dawsonville, Georgia area, and you want electrical work done right, performed at a reasonable price, call me at 770-596-1437. Thanks.